Alright, it's go time. Bye, house. Hope you find your dad. Alright, peeps. For breakfast, we got, I miscounted. We have 6 almonds, and then we got some amazing smoothie. We call it the Dax smoothie here in the morning. It's amazing. Alright, and we gotta get the jams going here because music is life. Well, it's a lot of life. It's great. Guys, 3 things. I got almost 8 hours sleep last night, and it was almost so amazing. Also, it's 63 degrees outside, and I get to wear a hoodie. I love it. Last thing is that it's Friday, and today is an amazing day. Yes! Friday! Woo! That person is looking at me like I'm crazy. Alright. It's game train time. 15 pounds in one day.
Yeah, well, I lost 12 pounds in one day, too.
Oh my gosh, guys. It's safe to say that I won today. I beat gravity, I lifted weights off the ground, I moved back, forth, left, right, every direction. I won. Oh, what's next, you ask? We're gonna go get showered up, smelling nice and soapy, put on some clothes so we can go to work, get some work done, and annoy Tyler. Woo!
Celebrate, don't wait too late. No, we don't stop. Feeling so free, we're gonna celebrate, and dance so free. One more time, this got me feeling so free. We're gonna celebrate.
Gains! Alright guys, we made it. We made it to the Palace of Showers. I won't flip around. Woo! So I just realized something. Whenever I'm walking around trying to tap my nose, tap my phone with my nose to make it turn around like that, all other people see is just me whacking my face on my phone.
To your heartbeat, and when you're gone, I feel incomplete. So if you want the truth, I just wanna be part of your symphony.
Alright, friends, pulling up to the office right now. Gotta get some work done. Can't really show y'all much because of the president and aliens and Hogwarts and all that stuff, but I will see y'all whenever.